Hello, my beautiful friends. And while we are digging into this beautiful Sephora palette for my favorite makeup of the fall, this is Pumpkin Spice Makeup. And while we are digging in, I kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. For this makeup, I'm not using black eyeliner but brown. I really think that brown eyeliner is a must for fall season. For this one, I'm not only applying it to my eyeliner, but also to the corners of my eyes. After that, I'm using this eyeshadow to blend it. So I'm applying this eyeshadow on border of eyeliner and starting to blend it. My advice here is to go little by little layering your makeup because you can always add a little bit more, but to remove something, you'll need more of your skills. I'm also adding a little bit of blend by applying this eyeshadow. I thought that for pumpkin spice latte, it's not enough and added also a little bit of orange eyeshadows. Layering here is almost the same as previous one, but I'm also applying this one a little bit over. While I'm working with my eyes, I also wanted to talk with you a little bit about overconsumption because I know that in US there is a big problem of it and a lot of people just buy more and more palettes and skincare products even they don't need them, and I see it myself too because sometimes I just get in drugstore and want to buy everything even if I don't need to. So while you think is this a problem or not, we're digging in gold shade from the Sephora palette. And this one is more than a year with me, and you see this one a lot in my videos and a lot in my shorts because I love this palette and I think that for everyday makeup, this is really good stuff. I'm just really trying not to buy things I don't need and palettes I don't need. Just think about it. If you have just one palette that you use, how many makeups you can make? Does it sound like a challenge or not? Because mm, can you make 100 of makeups using just one palette? And all of them will be different. What do you think? So while I'm asking you a lot of questions today, I'm also applying my eyeshadows to the under eye area. And to be honest, I love this makeup so much, even now without full face. For this one, I also decided to cover my waterline with brown eye pencil. I love this line of affordable eye pencils from Essence, so I think they are good enough. What can also help you to make your eyeliner look better is to apply your concealer with tiny brush like this. This will help you to make it even better. Of course, to get good result and not a dirty line under this one, you will have to apply your concealer on clean skin. Dear boys and girls, I'm always trying to share my knowledge and share some tips and tricks I know. So if you have something you really want to know, I'm here for you. I'm almost ended up with this mascara from Vivienne Sabo. Not my favorite one, but good enough if you want to wash your makeup off easily. Okay, let's finally open this one because it waited for too long before. So I love the package. I'll be honest with you, this one feels so beautiful. I know that this is something like dupe for, I think for Fenty, but maybe this one is gonna be too dark on my skin. get there. Oh, oops. It smells like coffee. Strange, but I kinda like it. But I don't feel like it is smell for everyone. So as I recall, this shade was called something like honey. And for my pale skin, it's a little bit too dark, but it turned out quite good. So while we're getting to the final steps of this makeup, I wanted to know from you, what do you like more, when I'm just commenting things that I do or when I share my stories from life? Let me know. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you like this one and remember that you're already beautiful.